Hola semua, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing my meal prep for the week, keeping it simple, balanced and most important, delicious. I didn't film the whole cooking process, but all the recipes will be on the description down below. So let's get started. First things first, this is my meal prep notebook. Before starting, I always write down the recipes I plan to make based on what I have at home. It helps me stay organized and make sure I have balanced meal ready for the week. Now, let's see what I made. First up, homemade oat bar. These are packed with oats, chocolate and topped either with cashew pieces or coconut. A perfect snack or quick breakfast when I need something on the go. Then 2 complete meals ready to go. A hearty red lentil dahl with spinach and rice. Super comforting, high in plant-based protein and full of flavor. I also made a simple crunchy salad with shredded white cabbage, carrots and Greek yogurt, a much lighter and healthier alternative to mayo, but still creamy and delicious, perfect as a side or quick lunch. For breakfast I prepped some pancakes. This is for 2 portions. When I eat them, I will top them with either peanut butter, strawberry jam or fresh fruit, depending on my mood. Just look how fluffy they are. Then I roasted a mix of veggies, tofu, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, chickpeas and even broccoli stalks. Yes, you can totally eat the steams. They are just as nutritious. These will be great for quick lunches or dinners. And finally, a homemade pizza with the carrots and oatmeal crushed. I topped it with spinach, mushroom and mozzarella, a super easy and delicious way to enjoy a healthier pizza. And that's my meal prep for the week. Everything is packed, stored and ready to make my life easier. This took me about 2 hours, but now I don't have to think about cooking every single day. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to meal prep dish, and if you enjoy this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy meal ideas. See you on the next video. Ciao ciao!